talking about the mystical, magical world of hormones and ways that we can calm ourselves down. So we are going to be working with 2 points on the head, actually 3, because we're going to do it on both sides of the body. My name is Kelly Goetz and I am an Eating Energy Medicine clinical practitioner. I'm also on faculty for the certification program. So if you are somebody that is having a hard time getting to sleep at night, and possibly you're feeling like your hormones are out of balance, you're going to take these 3 fingers, your thumb, your index, and your ring finger, and you're going to bring them together and you're going to place it in this notch at your neck. This is the Triple Warmer notch. You're then going to take your other hand and you are going to put your middle finger on the side of your face, on your temple. Already my body feels better. And we are just going to hold these 2 points. We're going to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And we are bilateral beings, meaning we have 2 sides. So take these 3 fingers, thumb, index, and middle finger, and place it in the notch. And put your other hand on your other temple. And we are going to take some more deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, and out through the mouth. You should be feeling calmer, and this is a really great thing that you can do, especially during the hours of 9 to 11 p.m. when we can get that overactive triple warmer. And it's also great to do when you're getting ready to lay down and go to bed. It'll help calm your nervous system, calm that triple warmer, and get you into a more relaxed state so you can get a good night's sleep. This is Kelly Goetz wishing you an infinite love and gratitude day. Bye-bye.